Hey everyone, so jumping right into it, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Q-tip and my Dr. Bronner's tea tree castle soap, and I'm basically gonna go ahead and wet the Q-tip and dip it inside of the soap and re-wet it again to begin cleaning my nose piercing.
I love it when you close to me. I just gotta get behind it. I love the way you wind it. Don't need a dime, baby girl.
I clean the outside along with the inside and then flip it and wet that side to clean off the extra suds. Moving on to the rest of my skincare, I'm going to take my spin brush I got from Ulta and this Burt's Bees Deep Cleansing Cream and apply that to my face.
You let go of me, baby, take control. I know you want some more. It's just different. Ain't nobody ever had my interest like this. If I had to place you ranking number one on the list, girl, you so unique. On top of all that, I know you freaky. Jagged edge, I gotta be the one you need. You'll be better off with me, cause
I've had my nose piercing for like a couple weeks now, so it doesn't hurt as much when I'm using the spin brush around it, but when I did first get it, I tried to not get as close or not use it as aggressively around it. Once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and grab a fresh washcloth and wet that to wipe off the cleanser. Once that's all off, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Mario Badescu facial spray water, the one with rose water in it, and get a cotton round and spray it 7 times. And I'm basically using this as a toner. And finally, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my daily moisturizing lotion on from Aveeno.
I wanna give you all of me, but don't you let go of me. Oh baby, take control. I know you want some more of me. I wanna give you all of me, but don't you let go of me. Baby, take control.
And that's basically all I do for my skincare in the morning. As for night, oh, I forgot. Let me put my, my EOS on. Can't be having no crusty lips in the wintertime. But yeah, that's it for the morning. As for the night, I do basically the same routine, taking the cotton swab and the castle soap to clean my piercing.
I know you can't get enough. You know I got that good love. I know I'm the one you want. Baby, you ain't got a front. I can do you how you supposed to be. I love it when you close to me. I just gotta get behind it. I love the way you wind it. Don't need a dime, baby girl, you a diamond. You got the kind of body I like. Ooh,
and then again going in with the spin brush and the same cleanser from Burt's Bees.
I wanna give you all of me, but don't you let go of me. Oh baby, take control. I know you want some more of me. I wanna give you all of me, but don't you let go of me. Baby, take control. I know you want some more. It's just different. Ain't nobody ever had my interest like this. If I had to place you ranking number one on the list, girl, you so unique. On top of all that, I know you freaky. Jagged edge, I gotta be the one you need. You'll be better off with me, cause I can do you right, I will. I do you right, I will. Baby, you know the deal.
And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off the cleanser with the towel.
Ooh, I wanna make you my wife. Come close to me, get a hold of me, take control of me, baby. I wanna give you all of me.
Once that's all off, I'm actually going to be using a different toner for the nighttime. I use the Tea Tree mattifying toner from the Body Shop. And I just put a little bit of that on the cotton round.
Don't you let go of me. Baby, take control. I know you want some more. Glad I got you on my side. Get you whips, cause I know you down to ride. You my joy and my pride. This for life. I'm so proud to call you mine, baby. Glad I got you on my side.
And after that, I'm just gonna go in with my Nip Fab Dragon's Blood Pumping Serum.
You got the kind of body I like. Ooh, I wanna make you my wife. Come close to me, get a hold of me, take control of me, baby. I wanna give you all of me, but don't you let go of me. Oh, baby, take control. I know you want some more of me. I wanna give you all of me, but don't you let go of me. Baby, take control.
And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my Derma E Vitamin C Intense Night Cream and use that as my final moisturizer. And I can say a little bit does go a long way. I ended up grabbing too much and just having to work it in everywhere.
I know you can't get enough. You know I got that good love. I know I'm the one you want. Baby, you ain't got a front. I can do you how you supposed to be. I love it when you close to me. I just gotta get behind it. I love the way you wind it. Don't need a dime, baby girl, you a diamond. You got the kind of body I like. Ooh, I wanna make you my wife. Come close to me, get a hold of me, take control of me, baby.
And that's it for my winter skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.